This is gonna blow your mind. Ever wondered how our genes shape our faces? Let's dive into some fascinating discoveries from the article Cracking the Genetic Code on Facial Features by Sarah Novak. First up, did you know that scientists have pinpointed between that influence our facial features? But here's the kicker. This is only about of the genes involved. We've just scratched the surface of understanding the genetic blueprint behind our mugs. Genetics account for a whopping of facial feature variation. This was highlighted in studies with twins, showing just how much our DNA dictates our looks. It's like nature's own personal signature on our faces. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Facial traits are polygenic, meaning multiple genes team up to shape features like the structure of our noses and lips. It's a complex dance, making it tricky to pinpoint specific genetic players. And get this, our journey to unique faces starts as early as just 4 weeks in, and our facial blueprint is already being drawn. Early development is crucial in determining our facial morphology. But it's not all about genetics. Environmental factors like and exposure to toxins can significantly alter our facial features even before birth. The environment packs a powerful punch in shaping how we look. Speaking of interactions, genetics and environment don't work in isolation. They team up, influencing gene expression and leading to variations in facial appearances among individuals. It's a dynamic duo shaping our looks. Despite the genetic complexity, family traits persist across generations. Ever noticed how you and your relatives share similar features? That's your intertwined genetic makeup at work, weaving a family resemblance through the ages. But there's still a lot to uncover. For instance, we don't yet know whether maternal or paternal genetics have a greater impact on our facial features. This is an exciting area ripe for future exploration. Now here's a mind-bender. Some genomic regions affect both facial and brain development. This suggests a biological link between how we look and how we think. Our genes are multitasking in ways we're just beginning to understand. So, what does the future hold? By cracking the genetic code on facial features, we could gain new insights into craniofacial disorders and open up applications in healthcare and forensic science. The possibilities are mind-blowing, and that's a wrap on how genes shape our faces. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video intriguing, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-expanding science content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring. See you in the next video.